Let's talk Shopska. Alright guys, how are you doing? Today I want to share a gem from my travels. It's a salad that's simple, so fresh, and so delicious it will change your summer. We're talking about the one and only Shopska salad. Travel through the Balkans, Bulgaria, Serbia, North Macedonia, it's always on the menu. It's a way of life. Summer on a plate for big, noisy get-togethers or a cool cafe order on a hot afternoon. Honest, rustic, and packed with texture and bold flavor. The magic? A mountain of salty, crumbly cheese. White, green, and red. A dish with heart and soul. Roll up your sleeves, let's make it together. Right, first things first. Let's get our shopping sorted. The key is quality. Fresh, vibrant, full of flavor. 4 or 5 ripe tomatoes. Skip pale, watery ones. Go for heavy, vine-scented beauties. Any color works, just make sure they're sweet. 1 large cucumber, firm, unwaxed, crunchy, and clean-tasting. 1 or 2 sweet peppers, green, red, yellow. Or long, pale Balkan peppers if you can find them. 1 small onion, red for mildness and color. Or a sweet white yellow. Thin slices add a gentle hum, less is more. The crowning glory, Cyrene cheese. Similar to feta, often creamier and less salty. Can't find Cyrene? Good Bulgarian or Greek feta works. Get a whole block, about 200 grams. Dressing is simple. Sunflower oil, a little red wine vinegar, sea salt, black pepper. That's it. A short, simple list for a stunning salad. Okay team, beautiful ingredients ready. Now let's prep. A little prep makes everything easier. Use them raw for crunch or roast for smoky flavor. Char on a flame or under a hot grill until blistered. Steam, then peel. Don't worry about a few specks, they add character. Wash everything and dry. No extra water in the bowl. Thinly slice onion and rest it in cold water with a touch of vinegar. 10 minutes is enough to take the harsh bite off. Remove stalk and seeds, pat dry. You've got soft, smoky peppers ready. There you have it. Prep done. Easy peasy. Right then, let's get chopping. Shopska is rustic. Go for chunky, bite-sized pieces, not tiny mince. Dice tomatoes to about 1 to 2 centimeters. Keep that juicy integrity. No need to peel. If seeds are watery, scoop them. Dice to match the tomatoes. Raw for crunch, roasted for silkiness. Either way, keep pieces chunky. Drain onions, slice thinly into half moons, into a big bowl and give it a gentle toss. Look at that, a bowl full of summer. Brilliant. Sharp knife is a safe knife. Let it do the work. Okay, lovely people, this is where the magic happens. Season first. A good pinch of salt and a few twists of pepper to draw out those juices. Best tools are your hands. Gently toss until every piece is coated. I love a wide, shallow bowl. Perfect canvas for the cheese. Pile it high and proud. Keep it light and rustic. It's cheese time. Cyrene or a great feta on medium holes. We want a proper blanket. Light, airy, salty, crumbly deliciousness. In the Balkans, the cheese should completely hide the vegetables. Let it pile naturally, don't pat it down. Finish with a single black olive, the cherry on top. Look at that, an absolute showstopper. Cold, salty, fluffy cheese over juicy seasoned veg. Every bite is a flavor and texture explosion. You might ask, where's the dressing? The veg and salt already started it. Add a gentle drizzle of sunflower oil and a tiny splash of red wine vinegar. Complement, don't overpower. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon or 2 of vinegar. That's it. I like drizzling over the top. It's all part of the theater. Serve at center table for sharing. This salad brings people together. Classic with a small glass of rakia. Go easy. And it's the best sidekick to anything grilled. Brilliant with roasted potatoes or crusty bread to mop up the juices. Or just a refreshing, satisfying light lunch on a hot day. Master the classic first, then feel free to play. Parsley or dill for freshness, a little chili for warmth. Add 1 or 2 summer veg, radishes for peppery crunch or sweet corn off the cob. Keep the spirit, fresh, chunky, simple. Don't overcomplicate it. The incredible Shopska salad, a taste of summer and a celebration of freshness. Get the best ingredients, chop with love, and share it. Trust me, this salad will change your summer. Lovely jubbly.